First, log in using your student username and password. On the left side of the page, click the Student Center icon under Launchpad. Click on the Smart Planner link located under Academics. This is the main page for Smart Planner. Here you will find many tools to develop a personal plan towards graduation. The Academic Requirements Report is the official progress tracker towards graduation and should be checked often. To view this report, click the Academic Requirements Report link. When viewing your Academic Requirements Report, it is important to first locate the symbols under General Information. These symbols will appear throughout your report to show you where you stand academically and which classes need to be taken in order to meet graduation requirements. As you scroll down the page, you will see these symbols next to each section. You may need to expand the view to see more information within a section. Once you have finished viewing your entire report, scroll back to the top of the page and click the Smart Planner tab to return to the previous page. As you scroll down on the main page, you will find a recommended plan towards timely graduation in 4 years. However, this recommended plan is completely customizable. To change the number of units you would like to take per semester, click Edit Preferences. Here, you can customize your target units by semester. Keep in mind, lowering the number of units could extend your time in college beyond 4 years. As you adjust the target units, you may find that a term is no longer needed, or that an additional term is needed. To make this change, use the plus and minus keys on the right side of the page. You can also add a summer or winter term using the plus button. When you are finished making changes, click OK to generate a new report. Now that you have customized your planned units per semester, it is time to look at classes. Click the Select link to show a list of course options to meet your requirement. Next, select the course that you would like to take to fulfill the requirement that you have selected. When selecting courses, click the I button to review course descriptions or other important course information like prerequisites. This is the most important part of the Smart Planner tool. The Select feature allows you to plan exactly which courses you are planning to take to fulfill your requirements. It also allows colleges and departments to see what students are planning for in order to better schedule course offerings. After you are finished choosing your courses, click Arrange My Plan. Arrange My Plan allows you to plan when you will take each course. You are able to drag and drop courses from term to term to meet your needs. It is important to remember that moving classes from one semester to another may change your planned units per semester. If you would like to keep your planned units per semester, make sure to swap courses that contain equal units between the semesters. For example, if I move a 3-unit class from fall 2020 to spring 2021, I will need to also move a 3-unit class from spring 2021 back to fall 2020 in order to keep the units per semester the same. Keep in mind, some classes cannot be taken before others if the prerequisite has not been met. There may also be cases where courses are only offered in the fall or spring semester. If a course is put into a semester it doesn't belong in, a message will pop up letting you know there's an error and you need to fix it. You will need to fix the error before moving forward. Courses marked critical are usually prerequisites for many of the upper division courses required by your major. Delaying critical courses may result in a delay in graduation, since you will not be able to register for some of the upper division courses until the critical course prerequisite has been completed. Once you are finished arranging classes, click OK. Another tool that Smart Planner offers is the ability to see what a new plan would look like if you decided to change your major. To generate this plan, click What If Report. To change your major, go to the first line and change the selected major to the new major on the drop-down menu. Then select the term that you fall under. Click Continue to view your new plan. The What If Report is a recommended plan that displays a semester layout of course requirements in order to graduate with the major you have selected. The plan term equals your catalog year, generally the term, and the year you were admitted to CSUDH. Once you are finished viewing the What If report, click Close to return to the main page. Smart Planner also allows you to alter your plan manually for completed requirements. You may find that a course completed with a passing grade over the summer is still showing up on your report. All you need to do is click on the X column and provide a reason why you believe the requirement has been met. To fix the issue, you may want to speak with your academic advisor so they can further assist you. And don't forget to bring all transcripts to admissions and records. Smart Planner also allows you to plan for courses that are not required by your major. To add a course that's not listed, click on Add Course. Then select the subject and the course you would like to add. Once you are finished, click OK. If you have any further questions regarding your degree requirements or constructing your plan, be sure to contact your advisor for assistance. As you prepare to register for the next term, review your current plan and make any adjustments that you feel are needed before you enroll. Prior to your enrollment appointment, you are encouraged to import your planned courses into the Schedule Planner to generate a customized schedule for the semester. To begin, click the Schedule Planner link. Next, select the Click Here hyperlink to load courses into your course list. Then select the appropriate term. In Schedule Planner, you are also able to add times that you work so the program can generate a schedule that works well for you. Click the Add Break button to customize your availability for classes. Once you have finished, click Add Break to save your changes. Next, locate the blue box under Courses. Click the Click Here hyperlink within the blue box to import your planned courses. You may need to make specific selections for courses that have topics to choose from. To view a list of schedule options based off the courses you have chosen and the availability you provided, click Generate Schedules. Take some time to look through the various options and find a schedule that works best for you. Once you have found a schedule that you like, click the Send to Shopping Cart button. This will send your planned courses into your shopping cart. Then, follow the steps in the diagram to complete the import process. The courses will remain in your shopping cart until you register for classes. Once your registration appointment time has come, remember to enroll in your planned courses to secure your spot. Keep in mind, classes only have a limited number of spots available, so it is best to start using Smart Planner long before your registration appointment.